In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a homepage in WordPress all in just 5 minutes. Let's make your website look precisely the way you want it. These steps are easy to follow and require no advanced technical skills, so don't worry if you're a beginner. We're here to make this task as straightforward as possible. First, you'll need to head over to wordpress.com. Simply open up your preferred web browser and type in wordpress.com in the address bar. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to click on the login button. You can find this button typically in the upper right hand corner of the screen. Clicking it will take you to the login page. Now, to make things even more convenient, go ahead and click on continue with Google. This option allows you to use your Google account to sign in without having to remember yet another password. Once you click, a selection of your Google accounts will appear. Choose the account associated with your WordPress site to continue. After you've logged in, you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard. On the right panel, you should see a section labeled Quick Links. Here, click on Edit Site. This is where the fun begins as you delve into personalizing your web space. Next, ensure that you click on your website's name. This link takes you to the section of WordPress where you can manage and edit your site's features and appearance. Once you're in, your eyes should be on the navigation option. Just give it a good click to get started on restructuring your homepage. In the navigation pane, you'll find 3 dots, often referred to as the Options or More button. Click on these dots to reveal more editing choices. This small action will allow you to modify your site's layout or structure directly. Once those options open up, select Edit to enter edit mode, where all the magic happens. On the left panel of your screen, you'll see navigation again. Click it to ensure you're still making changes within the right section of your site. Now you'll notice a plus icon in the menu on the right panel. Clicking this will let you add new features to your homepage. Choose Browse All from the list of options that appears. You can select from numerous blocks to add to your homepage, whether it's a new page, a hyperlink, a call to action button, or any other feature that enhances your visitor's experience. Play around with these options and see what fits best for your homepage concept. Lastly, don't forget to hit the Save button in the top right corner. Doing this ensures all your changes are securely applied and visible to your site visitors. You've just learned how to set up a homepage in WordPress. Congratulations! Now go ahead, explore your site and take pride in the new look you've created.